Welcome to Rank Me Online. This is your dashboard summary where you can visualize the key performance indicators and other strategic data for your organization at a glance. The first thing we set here is the range of time that we are interested in. According to that time period, we can see the total mentions of our project, that is Samsung M series mobile phones over the internet. Here, the total number of online mentions is 328, which is divided into two categories: web mentions and social media mentions. The web mentions count include mentions from blogs, articles, news, etc., while the social mentions count indicates the mentions only on social media, that is 50 on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. The green arrow shows the percentage change in the specific category as compared to the previous time period. The number of mentions received daily is shown by daily mention rate. Here it is 47, which is a really good number. Moving on to social media key performance indicators. Here the total potential reach of the mentions is 162 million. It is calculated by aggregating the follower counts of all authors mentioned. The overall engagements are about 45k. The rate of engagement can also be seen below. The red color indicates the percentage decrease, whereas the green shows the percentage increase as compared to the previous time period. Now if we need to analyze the sentiments of the mentions, this section will show how many of them are negative, positive or neutral. The brand needs to make sure the negative mentions do not increase abnormally, while they also need to applaud the positive mentions so that the customer feels a sense of gratitude. Let's have a look at the net brand score. It is an index ranging from -100 to 100 that measures the willingness of customers to recommend the brand or their services to others. So that means, as long as you are having a positive number, you are good to go. The better the number, the more is your marketing return on investment. Read more about this in our blogs. Coming down to the non-social platforms share of voice, this shows a graphical representation of brand mentions over all the digital platform in the selected time period. The exact percentage of the brand mentions can be seen by hovering the cursor over the desired color in the chart. The major percentage holders, in this case, is Amazon, followed by how do I connect my smartwatch to my phone. On the right, you can see the time-wise distribution of mentions. First is the performance of non-social versus social channels from which you can track and compare the performance in these two platforms. As we can see on non-social mentions, there has been a good spike on 26th of July, so there must have been a really good activity over this time period, which we can find out in great detail. Secondly, we have the sentiment-wise distribution. You can click on the sentiment type to omit the specific graph of that sentiment, like here by clicking on green and blue, omits the positive and total mentions, so that the graph of negative and neutral can be compared clearly. We can also see there has been a lot of jump in the negative mentions on 27th of July, which means there has been some negative activity about the brand that needs to be taken care of. The next three boxes show the insights of brand's social media handle like Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, which is extremely helpful for a quick checkup on the growth of the brand's social media at a glance. You can also see all the trending posts that are being talked about Samsung M series. We can also click on the post for more details. On the right, you can notice the trending hashtags for Samsung M series phones. As we can see, they talk about hashtag Galaxy M30, hashtag Samsung M40, hashtag Tech News and hashtag Galaxy a lot. This tells us how the audience talks about Samsung M series when they talk online. The next is a simple bar graph that shows the distribution of hashtags used by the audience. You can notice hashtag Samsung is used 22 times, followed by hashtag Galaxy, followed by hashtag Galaxy M30. We have given a separate section for the trending buzzwords associated with Samsung M series. So here the most frequent buzzwords used are Samsung and Android when they talk about Samsung M series. Next is the mentions channel-wise breakup. You can notice different channels like articles, consumers review, Instagram, etc. and for each and every channel, you can see the positive to negative sentiment division. While Samsung M series enjoy a lot of positive reviews, there has been some negative articles about it. Also, they have less activity on Twitter and Facebook, but they have a really good presence on consumer review and Instagram. Finally, you can see the city-wise distribution of mentions according to the location set by you in your project. Here we have set it to India, so we will see a city-wise distribution. This information is very useful in understanding where your audience is distributed geographically. We can see the majority of the mentions have been coming from Mysore, Lucknow, Kolkata, Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Similarly, you can also have the same distribution divided by the states of India. As we can see, the majority of the mentions are coming from the state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, etc. So that's all about the dashboard summary section. For more information, you can log into Rank Me Online or start your 14-day free trial today.